Tesla is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company founded in 2003 by Elon Musk. The company designs, manufactures and sells electric cars, solar products and energy storage systems. Tesla's electric cars are known for their sleek designs, advanced technology, and long-range capabilities. The Tesla Model S, Model X, Model 3 and Model Y are the most popular electric vehicles that Tesla offers. The Model S is a luxury sedan, the Model X is a luxury SUV, and the Model 3 and Model Y are more affordable sedans. All Tesla cars are powered by electric motors and have a battery pack that can be charged using the company's proprietary charging stations, called Superchargers, or through conventional charging methods. Tesla cars are known for their advanced features such as autopilot, a semi-autonomous driving system, and over-the-air software updates that improve the car's performance and features over time. The company also offers a mobile app that allows owners to control certain aspects of their cars remotely, such as locking and unlocking the doors, starting the car, and checking the battery level. Tesla's cars are manufactured in their factories in Fremont, California, Tilburg, Netherlands and Shanghai, China. With the goal of producing affordable cars and make electric vehicles mainstream, Tesla strive to achieve economies of scale and improve battery technology to make EVs affordable for a larger market. Building an electric car involves several steps, including designing the car. This includes creating blueprints and models of the car, as well as determining the size and shape of the vehicle. Choosing the powertrain. Electric cars have a powertrain that consists of an electric motor, a battery pack, and a controller. The motor and controller need to be chosen based on the size and weight of the car, as well as the desired performance. Assembling the car. This includes constructing the frame, attaching the powertrain components, and installing the electrical and mechanical systems. Testing and refining the car. The car needs to be tested to ensure that it meets safety and performance standards, and any necessary adjustments or improvements should be made. Manufacturing and distributing the car. Once the car has been designed and tested, it can be mass-produced and distributed to customers. Choosing the battery. The battery is one of the most important components of an electric car, as it stores the energy that powers the motor. Different types of batteries have different energy densities, lifetimes, and costs, so it is important to choose the right one for the car. Designing the charging system. Electric cars need to be charged, so a charging system needs to be designed and incorporated into the car. This includes the charging port, the charging electronics, and the software that controls the charging process. Building the body. The body of the electric car can be built using various materials such as steel, aluminum or carbon fiber. The material chosen will depend on factors such as cost, weight, and durability. Adding the finishing touches. Once the car has been assembled, it needs to be painted and have all the necessary trim and accessories added. This includes the seats, dashboard, windows, and lighting. Certification and compliance. Electric cars need to meet various safety and emissions regulations, so they need to be tested and certified before they can be sold. This process can be time-consuming and costly, but it is necessary to ensure that the car is safe and legal to drive.